Hello niece and nephew. Today Uncle Roger finally went on a date with Auntie Helen. Me, Uncle William, take over to this video. Instead of making egg fried rice, we're going to make something special. Tinh noodle in Tang Ming, Auntie Helen's favorite.
Sorry, Roger.
You know it's authentic Asian household when you have a full drawer of grocery bags. What the hell is a dishwasher? This is my favorite nephew, rice cooker. So convenient. Let me put this bandana, make me look professional. Fuiyoh, real fire always better than induction stove. You know the tomatoes so fresh when you just take them out from the vines. Slowly chop them in 8 pieces. So okay, one of the pot of water is boiling. Slowly toss all of the fresh tomato into this pot. Fuiyoh, this water is squirting. So bad. These tomatoes so fresh, but the flavor not enough. Okay, we just got some prawns and some scallop, some seafood into this broth too. Toss some of the prawns into the soup too. And some scallop. Seafood is natural MSG, king of flavor. Okay, another pot boiling. Put some egg. Make sure you got those free-range eggs. So healthy. I also like to add some dry sausage. Make the broth taste thick and rich. Fuiyoh, this looks so pretty. You can also add some leftover you have in your fridge. In this case, I have some stewed beef left over to add the extra flavor to the broth. And now we're introducing our tinh noodle. Typical Asian tinh noodle you can just literally find in any Asian grocery stores. You don't want to put your tinh noodle in this pot. Put all of them in this pot instead. You don't want the tinh noodle absorbing all the flavor from the broth when it's boiling. If you pretend to be healthy like Uncle William, you can also add some broccoli or some any veggie on the broth. And last, grind some salt and pepper into the soup. This is the work of art. This noodle also looks ready to end the little egg in the side. Take the biggest bowl from your kitchen. So gently put all your tinh noodle into that bowl. Soup seems ready too. Fuiyoh. And then we do some plating. And don't forget to peel this egg in here. So there you go. This fancy rich tinh noodle in Tang Ming. Let's give it a try. Fuiyoh, this tinh noodle so tasty. This prawn so tender, make my mouth come. You know the noodle is good when you make a lot of noise when you eat it. Woo! Oh, look at you. Those water stings so naughty. Uncle William don't like it. Almost burned my hand.